What's up, y'all? It's your man, Mr. J. Bring y'all another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be opening up this Dent DIY paintless remover kit.
What did you say, nigga?
So we can try and pull this dent out on my passenger door. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Got the little glue gun. And of course the little tabs here. Some instructions. Caution. Oh man. One of the glue sticks. I gotta put this together here. Oh, so they only sent 2 glue sticks actually. Supposed to be more. Oh well. Now the key is to figure out how this thing goes. But from the looks of it, this is gonna go here. Okay. I'm gonna attach this one. Yeah, it looks about right. Put this big boy on here. Along with the spring with this last piece. Now, I've never done this before, so hopefully I don't mess it up even more than what it looks like, even though it's not real bad. It's just noticeable to me. So I'm gonna go ahead, get this thing plugged up, started warming it up, and show y'all the dent. Alright, be back in a few. Alright y'all, we back. I done got everything set up. Got my heat gun. The glue gun is over here heating up. Picked out the tabs that I found most appropriate for the size of the dent marks. I've already cleaned this area off. So we're gonna go ahead and just heat it up a little bit. If you have a molding like this, I would suggest you not let it get too hot. But this should hopefully keep the paint from cracking any further and make it easier to bend the metal. Let's hope it works. Alright, so let's go ahead and see if we can glue these tabs down. I have never used this, so this is going to be very interesting. Kind of like a little kid's toy. A little popping there. Okay. And it's like it's not stopping. Let's put that one there. Alright, time to dry. Do you see this mess? And we're going to use this one for another little mark that I saw. I don't know how much of this you're supposed to put on here. And this thing keeps popping for some reason. Like that. Glue everywhere. Definitely won't be using this too much. But we're going to give that some time to dry. And then we'll see how it works out. Alright? Check back in a few.
5 minutes later.
Okay, y'all. It don't seem like it takes this glue too long to dry. So we're going to give this a try and hope for the best. That's all I can say. Okay. Don't think that's it. Well, dang. Oop, my bad. We'll get that off in a few. Let's try this one. I think this was a waste of money. Yeah. That did not work out too good. guess it will be going to the shop. But nice try. I'll get back with y'all on the next video. So till then, I'm out.